Welcome to our presentation on the ultrasonic glucose monitoring device with temperature and distance compensation. This title encapsulates our innovative approach to revolutionizing diabetes management. Our device employs ultrasonic technology to non-invasively monitor glucose levels, integrating temperature and distance compensation to ensure accurate readings regardless of environmental or physiological variations. The urgency for such innovation is underscored by the escalating global diabetes crisis. In 2021, approximately 537 million adults were living with diabetes, a number projected to surge to 783 million by 2045, according to the International Diabetes Federation. Current continuous glucose monitoring (CGM) systems, while beneficial, present challenges, invasiveness leading to discomfort and potential infection risks, high costs, with sensors priced between $50 and $200, necessitating frequent replacements. Accuracy issues influenced by body movements and temperature fluctuations. Our device addresses these challenges by offering a non-invasive, cost-effective, and reliable solution for continuous glucose monitoring. By integrating temperature and distance compensation, we enhance measurement accuracy, ensuring consistent performance across diverse conditions. This groundbreaking technology is protected under Provisional Patent Application number 63,795,453, filed on the 27th of April, 2025, by inventor Michael Gavshin. Our mission is to transform diabetes care, making glucose monitoring more accessible and comfortable for millions worldwide. Our project is titled Ultrasonic Glucose Monitoring Device with Temperature and Distance Compensation, a name that captures the heart of our technological breakthrough. This innovation addresses one of the most pressing challenges in diabetes care, creating a truly non-invasive, affordable, and reliable way to continuously monitor blood glucose levels. At the core of our solution is ultrasonic sensing technology. We utilize miniature piezoelectric transducers mounted on the cartilage of the upper ear, a stable and minimally intrusive anatomical location. These transducers operate at their natural resonance frequencies, ensuring maximum signal sensitivity. Additionally, a frequency sweep near the resonance points allows us to perform spectral analysis with high resolution. We incorporate real-time compensation for both temperature fluctuations and mechanical pressure, including changes in the distance between transducers. These variables can significantly impact ultrasonic signal behavior, but our system accounts for them dynamically to maintain accuracy. To interpret the signals, we apply Fourier transform-based spectral analysis, extracting precise information from the ultrasonic waveforms that correlates with glucose concentration in the interstitial fluid. Importantly, our device is built using inexpensive, mass-market components, specifically STM32 microcontrollers and common piezoelectric sensors, bringing the estimated production cost to under $9 per unit. This makes it not only technically innovative, but also economically scalable for global adoption. Let's talk about the market opportunity for our innovation. The global continuous glucose monitoring (CGM) market is currently valued at $17 billion as of 2023 and is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 10.5%, reaching $36 billion by 2030. This is an enormous and rapidly expanding market fueled by the increasing global prevalence of diabetes and the demand for better, less invasive monitoring solutions. Our target audience includes diabetes, patients seeking more comfortable and affordable monitoring, healthcare providers aiming to improve outcomes, and insurance companies looking for cost-effective solutions. We plan a multi-pronged market entry strategy: direct-to-consumer and clinical sales, ensuring early adoption and user feedback; licensing the technology to major medical device manufacturers to scale rapidly; partnerships with healthcare systems to ensure insurance, reimbursement, and accessibility. Our business model supports sustainable growth through device sales, providing low-cost, user-friendly devices to both consumers and clinics; subscription services, a mobile app offering advanced data analytics and continuous glucose monitoring insights; technology licensing, partnering with global medtech companies to deploy our innovation widely; insurance reimbursement, working with payers to integrate our device into existing CGM coverage programs. This is not just a medical device, it's a scalable, affordable, and patient-focused platform with massive commercial potential. Let's talk about the working prototype, a critical milestone that sets this innovation apart from many conceptual stage technologies. A fully functional prototype of the ultrasonic glucose monitoring device has already been developed. This device has been successfully calibrated against two widely used commercial glucose monitors, the AccuCheck Instant and the Freestyle Libre. The calibration process was conducted on the inventor himself, Michael Gavshin, who is a diabetic. This not only validates the functionality of the device, but also demonstrates its real-world relevance and potential to help millions of people living with diabetes. The prototype showcases key advantages. It is non-invasive, eliminating the discomfort and risks associated with needle-based methods. It uses a calibration curve based on real-time measurements of the speed of sound in ear cartilage, correlated with glucose levels from reference devices. This hands-on validation confirms that the technology is not just theoretical, it works. This project is deeply personal. I am Dr. Michael Gavshin, a person with a disability living with diabetes. I know firsthand the pain and inconvenience of traditional glucose monitoring systems. That's why I developed this solution to make monitoring affordable, painless, and accessible to millions of people like me. This is not just a project, it's my mission. Now, I'm looking for investors who share this vision. Funding is needed to further optimize the prototype, conduct clinical trials, and prepare for mass production. Full development access can be provided to serious partners. Let's work together to bring this innovation to life.